Him, get on it.
Rambo, are you all right? Over.
Blood team, they're all dead, sir.
Not Delmore Barry. He made it.
Barry's gone too, sir.
How?
Got himself killed in
Blood.
Didn't even know it.
Blood.
Ate him down to the bone.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
I'm the last one, sir.
It's good to hear your voice, Johnny. It's been a long time.
Look, John, you've done some damage here, but they don't want any more trouble.
He's northwest.
That's why I've come. I'm gonna come in there and fly you the hell out.
Just you and me. We'll work this thing out together. Is that fair enough?
Where'd you come from, sir?
Bragg.
I tried to get in touch with you, but the guys at Bragg never knew where to find you.
Yeah, well, I haven't been spending much time there lately. They've got me down in D.C. I'm sharing a seat with my ass.
I wish I was back at Bragg now.
Well, you did some pushing of your own, John.
They drew first
Blood.
blood, not me.
Look, Johnny.
Let me come in and get you the hell out of there.
They drew first blood.
Blood.
Rambo? Are you still reading me?
Blood.
Rambo! Rambo, don't do it. Listen to me, Rambo. You have no chance. Drop your weapon. I'm going to order the chopper in and fly you back to Bragg.
If you don't end this now, I'm going to kill you. Is that what you want? It's over, Johnny. It's over!
Nothing is over! Nothing! You just don't turn it off! It wasn't my war. You asked me, I didn't ask you. And I did what I had to do to win, but somebody wouldn't let us win. And I come back to the world, and I see all those maggots at the airport protesting me, spitting, calling me
Blood.
a killer and all kinds of vile crap. Who are they to protest me, huh? Who are they? Unless they've been me and been there and know what the hell they're yelling about.
It was a bad time for everyone, Rambo. It's all in the past now.
For you! For me, civilian life is nothing. In the field, we had a code of honor. You watch my back, I watch yours. Back here, there's nothing.
You're the last of an elite group. Don't end it like this.
Back there, I can fly a gunship. I can drive a tank. I was in charge of $1 million equipment. Back here, I can't even hold a job. Fucking cars! Ah! I can't. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Where's everybody? God. I'm a friend.
Blood. Blood. Blood.
It's over!
You know, sometimes you get so mad you think you're going crazy. Then it goes away, that hot feeling. It's not going away anymore, and I can't control it, Colonel. And I can't spend the rest of my life in a cell. The If I gotta die, I want you to do it. Don't let them do it. You train me.